I'm inviting you to a special event. We're going to use the power of vortexes. If there was a solution out there to solve the problems of this earth, save the planet, save the rainforest, save the animals, what would it be? We need to redefine how we see life. We need to redefine guilt, unworthiness, shame, fear, all those things if we want to create an abundant life for us and for the planet. We have to transform the human genome, the human consciousness. The time is now. I predicted that there would be a time where the universe will wash through or come through and allow us to become a grander version of ourselves. How do we change? We ride along with what the universe is allowing us to do through the power of vortex. There's a powerful vortex within the Lake Harriet Spiritual Center, and we're going to use that vortex to transform not only our lives, but humanity's life. We're going to come in as a group, and with the help of you all, we're going to come in and create a massive vortex. We're going to magnify the powers of the earth so we can use it not only to transform ourselves, get rid of shame, guilt, unworthiness, not only for us, but your family, your loved ones, and humanity as a whole.